Hello Purple Souls. Welcome back to our channel. The Grammys may have an entirely different look and feel this year, but that doesn't mean the gift bags won't be just as extravagant. In case you're unfamiliar with how these work, every year after the show, each person who either wins an award or presents and the performers leaves the ceremony with a gift bag full of swag, including everything from apparel to spa certificates to, of course, luxury beauty products. Typically you can expect the items in all of the gift bags to be worth a few $1,000s in total. But given the circumstances of the last year, this year's bag will focus on items from BIPOC-owned brands as well as those embracing diversity, inclusion, equity, and philanthropy. According to a release from Distinctive Assets, which assembled the bags this year. Since the Grammys will be mostly virtual this year, it's not all the way clear how everyone will receive their gift bags, though our guess is that they'll be mailed. We are proud to have curated our most inclusive gift bag yet, representing companies owned and operated by individuals across race, ethnicity, sexual orientation, gender, age, persons with disabilities and beyond, says Lash Ferry, founder of Distinctive Assets, based entertainment marketing company producing the gift bags. These entrepreneurs give back to their communities and the world at large. This was a year to focus on something bigger than the quantity of items or a price tag. The iconic show's superstar presenters and performers, including Bad Bunny, Black Pumas, Cardi B, BTS, Brandi Carlile, Doja Cat, Billie Eilish, Brittany Howard, Miranda Lambert, Dua Lipa, John Mayer, Post Malone and Harry Styles will be treated to a bevy of thank you gifts from brands embracing diversity, equity, inclusion, and philanthropy in acknowledgement and appreciation of their participation. So now let's have a hope for seeing the BTS episode on Unboxing Grammy's Gift. See you next time. Till then, go and stream Dynamite and make it 1 billion.